friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today we are back with my September Stitch Fix box. So I am super excited to open this box with you guys. I did receive the feedback you guys gave me on my last video, and after this unboxing section there will be a part 2 of me actually trying on the items to show you guys what they look like on physically, and that way you guys can actually see like them on a person. Side note, this was actually something I did get in last month's box, which I've been wearing a ton and I've been loving it. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Side note, this is one of the biggest boxes I've gotten from them in a long time. So I'm very intrigued to see what's inside. So for those of you guys, oh sorry, I'm trying to open this. So for those of you guys that don't know, Stitch Fix is a monthly, bi-monthly, you get to kind of choose when you receive the boxes, subscription service that sends you styled clothing picked out for you by a personalized stylist. You can enter in any kind of preferences you want with the clothing. And every month for me it comes to my house and I get new clothes. It's great. You also get a $20 styling charge that you can apply towards any of your clothing, which is great. So let's go ahead. I'm going to get some of the unfun things out of here, like the papers. Also, to any items that you don't want, you can send back for free. They add in a mail envelope that you can just put all the things in you don't want, send it back. Super easy. Okay, let's start with the biggest. Oh, okay, cute. So this is a giant Herschel gray tote. It's got kind of like that, what's the word? Okay, what is this called? Hold please. This is the Herschel Mica tote in light gray. Just again, a super standard basic tote. It feels very tarpy-ish, is kind of the only way I can think of how to explain this. It's got pretty long straps. Normally I would love something like this with the exception of 2 reasons. I don't really ever have bags in a light gray distressing kind of color like this, and also I have so many totes that I've gotten recently that this one is just, it's a great size. This is probably really good for travel, but I think depending on the price of this, it's probably gonna end up going back. Just initial first like inclination. So we'll put that to the side for now. And obviously I'll go through prices and everything with you guys. Actually, we'll do prices after. Okay. Now we open up this big bundle. Ooh. Oh, okay, clean box down here. I'm also gonna add that I have been, hold please. Okay, I'm also gonna add, thank you. I'm also gonna add, I've been in a very fall mood lately, so I'm really excited to see if there's any cute fall things on top, which it looks like there are. Okay, first off, interesting. Okay, so this is a very basic like olive and white striped shirt. It's got little, what are these called? Belle sleeves on the end that are nice and poofy. This looks a little short on first response and not something I would normally gravitate towards. The material feels pretty good. It seems like a general jersey blend material. This is the Z Supply Meggie Blouson Steve knit top in green size small by Z Supply. So it's actually, I mean, it's cute. Again, the nice thing I do like about Stitch Fix is it sends me things that normally I would never go for. So like I said, we're gonna try this on. I will show you guys that after this clip and we'll see how I feel. Okay, next is something different, very fall colored. This is a off-the-shoulder front tie top. Now again, normally not something I would go for on my own. I'm not the hugest fan of things that are just straight like off the shoulder for me because I have generally wider like body on top. Like I'm built more like martini style. So these sometimes tend to kind of cut into my arms and look a little funky, so, and then they're just kind of like they ride up, and anyways. So again, we will try this on, see how it fits, see how it feels, see how it looks. This, just FYI, was the Mason & Belle Almo off the shoulder top in orange red, size small. Again, very cute. I just, not my initial first like, ooh, but we'll see. Okay, next, ooh. Okay, this is cute. Okay, so this is a very cute, like cream colored knit sweater with kind of the runchy, scrunched sleeves at the ends. I don't know what the technical term is, but you know, and the same thing on the top here. This I really like. This just genuinely kind of speaks to me a little bit more. Again, normally cream is hard because I feel like the only thing you can wear under this is nude, which kind of makes it difficult if your nude bra is in the wash or you're lazy like me and do laundry every 6 years. So this, just so you guys know, is from Cotton Emporium, the Miriam cropped scalloped hem pullover. So this is cute. It feels like it has the tendency to stretch, if you know what I mean. Oh, I didn't even realize the bottom is scalloped. That's cute. So again, we'll give it a try. You guys can let me know what you think. I'll let you know what I think. We'll figure it out. Okay, so this is really funny that this is in this box. So I literally am like, I'm the hardest person on my jeans. I'm hard on clothes in general, but jeans in particular, I'm very hard on. So the funny thing is, I literally just bought a pair of black jeans at Old Navy for like 20 bucks, and I'm really obsessed with them because my other black jeans were like destroyed and like gray. They were so faded. So I literally also just got high-waisted black jeans. Again, initial first thoughts, I typically am not a huge fan of the multiple button vibe at the top. Just my personal preference. I usually am a fan of the one button look, and I think because I just got black jeans that I just bought, we'll see. We're not making any calls. We're just giving general first thoughts and opinions. But yeah, so this is just standard stretchy black denim. These are the, hang on, hold. These are the MAVI Colette button front skinny jeans in black, size 0. I will say the jeans that I have received for the most part from Stitch Fix have been really quality jeans. I've been very pleasantly surprised with that. These do look a little wide. Again, something typically with my jeans, I like them very skinny because I have pretty long legs, so it just kind of makes my legs look longer and skinnier, and anyways, so we will give these a try. I will let you guys know what I think. Initial thoughts, leave them in the comments below, and now let's move on to the try-on part. Okay. This is the Gallerie shirt. It's different. It feels comfortable. I've tucked it in a little bit, otherwise I feel like it makes me look super boxy. I have a very large chest, and again, very kind of martini shape to my body. The bell sleeves are cute. I just feel like it looks like it doesn't fit me. Like the sleeves should be longer, it should be, I don't know. I'm not like crazy about it, but it's also something different than what I normally wear. So I don't know. It's also $48, which is kind of a big deterrent for me. I'm really not gonna lie. Because I feel like I could get this at Target for like 20 bucks. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not crazy about it. Okay, so this is the Scalloped shirt, sweater, pullover. This one is currently running price-wise at $48. But I'm not mad at it. It's pretty cute. The sleeves are a little bit longer, which I always really like with my sweaters, because then I feel like I can do this and be super cozy with it. The scalloped edge, I think if it didn't have that, I would probably be sending it back, but because it has that, I'm intrigued. The material too is a very interesting like material, like the knitting is different than what I normally would wear. Again, the only thing that I kind of have an issue with it is it's very sheer, or it is sheer, and what is that? Is that a hole? Oh, I think it's just the knitting. It's very sheer, and I feel like if I don't wear nude bra under it, I don't really know what else I would wear. But it's cute. This right now, decently strong contender. Okay, last 3 items. We're knocking them out quick because sadly I'm not super jazzed about anything in this box. This is the crop top. Again, my issue with these is I feel like it kind of cuts in my arms a little bit, and then anytime you lift your arms above like here, you kind of get this situation. And again, I feel like it also kind of just makes me look very boxy. It just kind of isn't, I'm not crazy about it. Same thing with the jeans. The buttons in the front, just style-wise for me, are not something I go for. They fit pretty good. The jeans, like I said, in this box have always fit me pretty well. They're usually a pretty like stretchy material. They fit pretty snug. Let me see if I can pan you guys down so you can see. Yeah, so they're pretty like tight, which I like, which is what I want for my jeans. But they also run the teensiest bit short, and they kind of do that flare out at the bottom, which I'm not a super huge fan of. Also, initial thoughts, I'm definitely sending this back. It's just not my taste. The gray kind of taupe, just not something I go for. Initial reaction, I'm not super jazzed about anything really in this collection, which is kind of a bummer. But at the same time, like I said, I'll probably keep one of these because you do pay the $20 credit and I don't really want to see it go to waste. I'm leaning right now, I think at this point, between the 2 that I showed you guys before, the cream sweater or the striped green and white, just because there's something different that I don't have in my collection. But yeah. See, I can't handle this. I would be going nuts. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know down in the comments below if there's any that you guys think I should keep, or your thoughts on the items. Let me know. So that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching me do my Stitch Fix unhaul and try on. Let me know down in the comments below what items you think I should keep. I will let you guys know down in the down bar what items I do end up sending back and which ones I end up keeping for myself for the month. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe to see more of my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye!